Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we are asked, which of the following compounds show resonance? Which among the following options here show resonance? Now, what do you understand by resonance? Now, resonance occurs when a molecule can be represented by two or more valid Lewis structure. What that means is that before a resonance can be determined, check whether that molecule has a pi bond. And remember, not all pi bond exhibit resonance. A resonance can only occur when the pi bond, that is when the electron in the pi bond can move between atoms. Are you following? Let me just illustrate it so that you don't get confused. For instance, now we have CO2, all right, carbon dioxide. Now, if you look at carbon here, it's bonded with what? Look at. Firstly, this is double bond. Now, can this double bond move between atoms? No. The question is what? Or the answer is what? No. Because of what? Because there is double bond here. If that we have only one single bond here, it means that this one can come this side. You can also represent this formula as double bond and single bond. It means that this double bond can always cross this side or cross this side. That is what we mean by what? Resonance. Do you understand? A pi bond electron can move between atoms. Do you get that? Now, can be delocalized. When you hear of delocalized, it means that there can be share between atoms or they can be moved between atoms. In the example we also have in the case of benzene, you can see that you can write this structure as this, right like this, right like this, or you can write this one as like this, and like this. You can see that the pi bond here, you can write it either here or here. Look at this structure here. So this pi bond can rotate between an atoms. That in chemistry we say delocalize. Delocalize means that the pi bond can move between atoms. Look at the pi bond. In the case of this one was written here, but now we have changed it to this side. Do you get that? Here, they are not the same. So the pi bond can move between an atom. That is what we call resonance. If a molecule can be written in two or different ways, it means that that compound or that molecule is what exhibit resonance. Like this one now. This pi bond now, it can be written expressed like this. Now let's look at the various options. Remember, one of the factor is that consider whether that molecule has a pi bond. Pi bond means double bond. Double bond is what? Pi bond. If that compound or that molecule does not have a pi bond, means that it will not exhibit resonance. Now let's look at methane. See that there is no resonance because of what? This one are all single bond, no pi bond. Let's look at ethene. Ethene is written as look at the structure of what? Ethene. Now this pi bond here cannot be changed to this side, cannot move to this side. Do you get that? If this pi bond can move to this side, it means that it can exhibit what? It can exhibit resonance. Do you get that? So as it is now, this one does not exhibit what? Resonance. We are saying that resonance can only occur when the pi bond, that is the double bond, can change position. Do you get that? This one cannot change because if you look at the structure of this one now, it is like this. Now let's look at this is ozone. Ozone is, we have 1, 2, 3 hydrogen atoms. Now if you look at here, we have here. Look at the structure of ozone here. Now you can see that this double bond here can either change to this side. You can write it like this and clean this one. Do you get that? That is to say that you can write it like this. Have you seen? You can either write it this way or write it this way. So this double bond can move to this side or can move to this side. So that is what we call resonance. Now you might be asking, why do you need to write it like that? Let me just break it down. If you look at oxygen here, oxygen has what? 6 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another oxygen, 6 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one need 2. to pair. So this one now, carry this one and pair with this one. Now this one now, in between this one, we need to. You carry this one and pair with this one. You get that? If you pair with this one is left. So for you need to clean this one now. Put this one here. That is where you see this double bond. Do you get that? You can as well change this one to this side and take this one to this side to be what? To be one. So when you see something like this, is what? This is how it is. You can also, it's the same thing that we have written it here. Do you get that? So that no electron pair can be here in this oxygen outside here. So let it be bonded with this one or bond with this one, with this one. Therefore, our answer is what? Ozone. If you look at water does not have double. Look at the structure of water. Water is like this, something like this. So there is no double bond. So a resonance can only occur when there is what? Pi bond, and the pi bond can move between atoms. Do you get that? That is what we call resonance. So ozone will exhibit what? Resonance. For more of this video, do what you like. Importantly, share and comment. God bless you.